Well, hello, beautiful friends. This is Lynette here, and Steve and I are going to be out in the garden today, and we're going to be cleaning up my raised beds. I think the zinnias are done, but when life brings you lemons, you make lemonade out of it. And find what makes my soul happy today. And anytime I'm out here, I just feel better. Time to say goodbye to the zinnias. I got handyman Steve out here helping me. You know, these zinnias and straw flowers are, almost done. We're in September, but look how beautiful they still are. And that's kind of a metaphor for life. We go through some tough and hard times sometimes in life. And we just have to keep fighting and keep growing. And, next year will be a new time for these. And, maybe next month will be a new energized month for me. But I think I'm tired, just like the straw flowers and the zinnias are. So as I'm out here, I'm collecting some seeds. So I'm just going to cut off the ones that look really kind of brown and crispy. And when you open this up, you see, the zinnia seeds in there. My sunflowers have been bent over for about 3 weeks now, but, they're bent, but they're not broken. And so I'm going to cut some of these and see if I can put them in a flower arrangement real fast. Steve's pulling my sunflowers out, so I'm going to go see if I can find some seeds. These are my dahlias, but I want to try to save the tubers. So I pulled them up, and you can see the tubers down here. And my thought is I want to bury this tuber into some potting soil, and then when it starts to get cooler out, I'll bring them inside. And then this one has some here, you can see. How big this one was. You can probably get 5 or 6 dahlias off that next year. Here are all my beautiful blooms that I pulled. Most of them came out of my raised beds. And I got my raised beds all cleaned out. I'll show you how good that looks here in a minute. But I thought we would make a flower arrangement. So I got some hydrangeas. Pulled one of my Incredibles. And then a limelight. This limelight a little bit. Okay, and then I did pull one of my sedums. This is Autumn Joy sedum. A little baby dahlia. Got a little bit of sunflower. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. Maybe just for something spilling out a little. Cut this one off. zinnia. I had one little David Austin, Claire Austin rose. Some straw flowers. I cut a little piece of aster off. A little grouping of zinnias. Pull some of the leaves off if you want. This flower arrangement is inspired by a friend that I watch on YouTube. Her channel is Patty B Gardening, and she had a really heartfelt video the other day. She made something out of nothing is what her video was about, and she was struggling to come up with a video for YouTube, which I think we all can relate to that. And so today, as I wasn't even going to video today, but as Steve and I were cleaning up the raised beds, I thought, well, there's still some flowers that look sort of pretty. So I went ahead and cut them. As I was doing it, I saved the older seed heads so I can get some seeds from them. And I made this beautiful flower arrangement out of nothing because all of that would have been going into the trash. Oh, and the bumblebee showed up just in time for you guys. Well, thank you guys. This was a something out of nothing video today, and hopefully you guys can go find some nothing to find your passion today, because this was just a wonderful day in the garden for me. I didn't feel pressure or anything to get anything done. It just, if it gets done, it got done, and if it didn't, oh well. So go find your passion, you guys, today. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you like what you have seen, please hit that subscribe button. Nikki and I would really appreciate that.